Okay, so hello everyone. Is the first part of the presentation. I will explain the analysis of the relationship between quiz average and final exam scores using correlation and simple linear regression. The objective of this exercise is to determine whether students who obtain higher quiz average also tend to achieve higher score on their final exams. First, we organized the data into a table with two variables. X represents the quiz average, Y represents the final exam score. Next, we create a scatter plot. A scatter plot is graph that helps us visualize the relationships between two quantitative variables. When we analyze the graph, we observe that the points move over from left to right. This pattern suggests a positive relations between quiz average and final exam scores. In other words, students with higher quiz average generally obtain higher scores on the final exam. After creating this Scarlet Clue, we calculate the sample correlation coefficients represent by the letter R. The result was R. The result the result was approximately 0.99. This indicates a very strong positive correlation between the two variables. Since the correlation coefficient is very close to 1, it means that there is a strong linear relations between quiz performance and final exam performance. Therefore, we can conclude that students who perform well on quiz are likely to perform well on the final exam. This completes this part of our analysis. In next section, my partner will explain the regression equation, make a prediction, and discuss whether the model is appropriate for forecasting future results. Thank you for your attention.
Continuing with the exercise, after calculating the correlation, we found the simple linear regression equation. The equation obtained was y hat equals 12.11 plus 0.87x. This equation allows us to predict the final exam score using the quiz average. Next, we made a prediction for a student with a quiz average of 85. After replacing the value in the equation, we obtain approximately 86. This means that a student with a quiz average of 85 would probably obtain a final exam score of 86. Finally, we can conclude that the linear regression model is appropriate for making predictions. This is because the correlation coefficient was already high and the scatter plot showed a clear linear trend. In conclusion, these exercises help us understand how two variables can be related using correlation and simple um, linear regression. Thank you very much for all your attention. Thank you.